Hi guys, this is Kerry Painter from the Dare to Dream team, and this is the next video in your mini tutorial on how to set up aWeber. Okay, so again, I am at the aWeber login page and I've logged in, and in front of me are the lists that I have created. So the first thing we're going to do is click on Create and Manage List. Then from here, we need to choose the list that we want. I've got a ton because I've been doing examples. So once you've chosen the list, okay, so now the list is chosen. This is where you personalize your list. So your first box is, your first box is company name. Now, I don't know what you want to put here. You might want to just put your name, I don't know, marketing or something like that. Once you've done that, you need to put in your website URL, which should be your Empower network, I think. Mine is. So once you've put that in, you've got to do your email signature, and in that you're going to say something like I don't know, thank you very much, or thank you for reading Kerry Painter, or in my case Kerry Painter anyway. That's not your name, obviously. So don't put that. Okay, the next thing is a logo or a picture which you can click on and upload if you like. If you've got a nice picture of you, people like to see who they're dealing with, so that's probably a good thing to do. The next part is your social media. Now you'll see down here that you've got Twitter and you've got Facebook. I'm actually already connected, but for the purposes of this video I've actually disconnected myself. So the first thing we do is click on Connect to Twitter. Just waiting for the page to load. You will have to then authorize your app. So you click on Allow. It would have asked you to put a username and password in at some point, but because I've already done this, it already remembers my information, so I don't need to do that. The next step is to do the same with Facebook. Sorry about this. Okay, and because again it's already remembered my information, it's just loaded straight away. If that was your first time to do this, what it will do, it will bring up your profile, and it will also bring up any pages that you manage if you manage them. From here you would click a make default. So if it was your Facebook page that you wanted the aWeber to connect to, or whichever, you would click default, make default. Okay, the next step is to set up text snippets, and what these are basically pieces of information that you put in, and they will just appear on every single email that you do. And once you've put them in once, if you ever need to change them for some reason, say you change your phone number or something, you would just simply, instead of going through each email in turn, you would just simply change this text snippet here. So the first text snippet you want to put in is your name. So put name in the left hand box, and then your actual name in the right hand box, and click add. Next you would put phone. Oh, we're just waiting for it to load, sorry. Okay, the next text snippet you want to put in is phone, and you would put your phone number. and click add. Okay, so the next snippet that you're going to put in is landing. This page is basically where you land. What more is to say? If you are doing Empower Network, I'm going to paste my details into here just so you can see what the link is. What you need to do is look at everything up to the equal sign and then basically take off my user ID, unless of course you want me to have your leads, which is absolutely fine with me, and put your own user ID on there. That'll be your Empower Network user ID. Once you've done that, you're going to click add, and then your next snippet will be join. So you're going to write join in the left hand box, and then in the right hand box you are going to put 2 seconds while it's being written in, empowernetwork.com/join.php (ID equals username). So whatever your Empower Network username is, that's vital that you get that right, because if you don't get that right, somebody else will get your lead, and you really don't want that. So once you've done that, you're going to click add, and then you're going to click save, and that is that for that part of the setup process.